everyone, this is ONNIE. Good morning, or shall I say, good afternoon or good evening to some of you right there who are in the other parts of the world. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. For those who are new to my channel, this channel is all about Korean culture, Korean way of life, places to visit in the countryside, and I am a married immigrant, so my channel also talks about the way of life of married immigrants here in the countryside of Korea. And sometimes you can see in my videos that I have some narrations of the scriptures, and this is because this is my way of life here in Korea. I hope you will enjoy this video.
Hello everyone, this is NETTE and welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm in the seaside. Me and my husband went to the other side of town, and it's summer now here in Korea, and during the weekdays the children are in school, and some people are going to the office, are working, so I have the beach for myself. It's a beautiful day in the countryside, and as for NETTE, I need to go to the hospital for medication, and I don't feel like going to the hospital. Going to the hospital means it's just like getting negative vibes, and I told my husband that today I will skip the hospital thing, but instead I will go to the beach, hear the sound of the waves, and feel the sun, and forget all the physical pain that I'm feeling, and it won't hurt if I skip a day of medication in the hospital. For those of my followers knows that NETTE is not really feeling well for the past few months, and I am in and out in the hospital, and so this is me. This is life. When you get older, everything is not getting smoother. The physical body is weak. It's only the mind and the spirit that is so strong, and well, that's life. That is part of a person's life journey here on earth. Well, I hope you like it. I like the sound of the waves. It seems healing. And for those A while ago, me and my husband went to the other side of the beach, and to the other town also. And in the morning, it was early in the morning, and the fog is heavy, na hindi ako makakuha ng magandang video doon. But here in Henam, I'm in Henam, Tangkut, meaning Tangkut means the end of the land. And it seems that I'm the only one being here in the middle of this beach. Before the pandemic, ang dami pong mga taong pumupunta po dito. But I think during the Saturday and Sunday weekend, marami pong pumupunta dito. And by the way, sa countryside, marami po ditong mga shall we say beaches na ano na ako sa pananalita. So let me guide you guys. Ayan. So if you can see, ayan, kanina maganda po yung napuntahan namin kanina. Medyo white sand, pero tingnan nyo po naman, very clean. Malinis naman po ang kapaligiran. Well kept po siya. Ayan. So here you can see yung ano ng yung alon. Ayan. It's lovely to play in the water. So this is the beauty of the countryside actually. You can feel, you can if you don't want the mountain scenery, then you can go to the beach, and you know it's the other way around. It's very nice. Ayan. But as you can see over there, may mga constructions going on. Everything is being improved para, you know naman, Korea concentrates more on tourism, and so the beaches, yung mga tourist spots namin, palagi yan ini-improve ng government to attract more tourists to come to Korea. And so there you are. Medyo maganda. Maybe I will go along that side para makita nyo po yung waves. Ayan. Life in the countryside is tough actually, especially if you live alone. Pero I understand wherever you live, especially if you live abroad and your family is in the Philippines or away from you, you will always have hardships, struggles to overcome. And I understand that. And in my part, I'm getting older, and you know, when you get older, ang dami nang nagsusulputang mga sakit na hindi mo maintindihan. But life is that. So I chose to become positive. I chose to see the positive side of life. If you only think of the difficulties that you are having right now, you will feel sad, and I don't want to indulge myself in sadness because I'm just alone here. And I believe that I am still blessed, even if I'm not physically healthy. But I would say I still count my blessings, because if I do count my blessings, then I feel thankful, and I I have this hope, and I'm still happy na for more than 22 years of existence here in Korea, hindi ako pinabayaan ng ating Panginoon. For 22 years of living here in Korea, I'm still blessed. Even if I have experienced lots of hardships, lots of obstacles, and yet I would say, if I have to count my blessings one by one, I would say that God had never left me. Instead, He was able to help me overcome my obstacles here in Korea. And I remember when I arrived here in Korea, I can't understand the language, and I have difficulty understanding them. And I got married to a poor guy, and we don't have anything. And survival is really the most important thing that I should overcome. And I was able to overcome it. So, right now, financial problem is overcome. I guess right now it's the physical part of being human that I need to overcome. There are times that I felt I don't want to move because I felt so painful, but well, I realized na I need to fight back, and I realized na it's not only me in this world that have problems, and so I have to overcome that with a positive mind, and with a thankful heart, and with a prayerful heart, that God will be able to help me overcome my obstacles. I hope you can bear with me, and I hope my video makes sense. This videos depends on the kind of feeling that I have right now, and so I hope this is kind of boring to some of you, but well, this is how I felt, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone. Maraming salamat. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, and watch my videos, and I will see you soon.